Hello, inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. I'm down by Pocklington Canal. I had some plans for going out paddling, but if you've watched some of my other videos on this canal, you'll be able to tell that the water level's quite high. We've had so much rain. I mean, this isn't supposed to be a wetland here, but it is now, all the way around there. We've had so much rain, and I thought it had calmed down because we haven't had that much this week. But no, it's still bad. I've had to take that many diversions to get here. It's, yeah, a 20-minute trip has taken me about 40 minutes. Anyway, it's about 1:15 now, and I don't have an awful lot of time. I wanted to paddle up in that direction to where I normally camp and do a bit of a recce. I'm not sure I'll get all the way there. However, I am still going to set everything up that I wanted to do and go out for a paddle anyway, because I'll be able to get so far, and I want to try this Chelan out again. So yeah, let's do that. Just done something really stupid. Can you see at the bottom of the canal there? That's my car keys and house keys. Looks like I'm going in. I haven't even set off yet. It's not going well today. Got him. Just to show you one of my top tips and tricks for car keys, I have sealed all of these buttons in with some tough tape. Can you see my van at the end there? Right, so I've just dropped these in the canal. Still working. Open, close. Not bad, eh? Good tip that. Considering my plans today have gone somewhat awry for the things I was going to do today, because of the road diversions and because I've just dropped my keys in and all those kind of things, I'll just show you what I've got set up and what I'm actually going to test out. So this is the Chelan 140. That is a 15 kilogram bag of cat litter. That's another pack raft. That's for one of the things I was going to do, but not today. There's a bag of gear in the front. There's two bags there. I'm just kind of trying it out today for what it would be like with a load of camping gear and a bit of weighting. Let's get in the water, eh? Again, but you know, in the boat this time. This feels today like it's been way too much of a struggle to do this. Way too much. Anyway, let's go and have a little look on the water. There is a guy with a fishing float up here, so I will just try and go around it. Have you got two lines in?
Yeah.
Ah, right, I was going to say. I thought I could, oops, I've got one.
Oh, good. It's past it now, mate.
It's under my boat, that one.
Oh, on it?
You are?
No, you're off it now, I think.
No, it's here, I can see it.
Oh.
Let me see if I can just lower it under the boat. That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you, sorry about that. Well, that's a first. Snagged a line. So this is the exit to Melbourne Basin, and I think I'm going to go left under the bridge, even though it will be a lot lower. Well, the bridge will be the same height, but because the water's higher, a lot lower. Alright. I'm going to have to duck. Told you it was low. It is a beautiful afternoon. The only snag now is I've only got an hour until sunset. Yeah, as you can see, it's quite low in the sky there. It is kind of weird being on this canal and being almost level with the path at the side. Normally I'm a lot lower. There's quite a bit of debris in the water here. Look at that. I think one of the things I want to do while I've got this extra weight in this Chelan is, you might have heard me mention about the big paddle that we've got for next year. I'm going to see roughly what kind of speed I can get up to in this with some extra weight in. Just going steady away, so let's point the camera forward and then I can let you know. So I'm actually paddling into the wind at the moment, which you can probably tell from the waves on the water, the ripples on the water, and I'm doing about 3 miles an hour, 3.1. I'm not pulling particularly hard. 3.4. If I pull a bit harder, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8. That's quite good, I'm quite chuffed with that. That's a good steady pace, 3.7. If I just kind of steady down a bit, 3.6, 3.5. Yeah, not bad at all. 3.4. As long as you're doing over 3 miles an hour, that's not too bad. Got a nice bridge here that's quite low. This is going to be another fun one. I hope that camera on the front of the boat goes under. I'm definitely going to have to shimmy down to go under this one. I might even have to lie down. Whoa. There we go. You can definitely see it there. Look at that, all that water in the fields. Wow. If you're interested in what I wear in winter while I'm kayaking to stay warm, just make sure that you watch the next couple of videos, because I'll be talking a bit more about that. Nice with all the sun on the reeds and stuff, isn't it? What I'm probably going to do today is paddle for about a mile. I've done about 3/4 of a mile, and then I'm just going to head back. Just an opportunity to get out, really. Can't believe I'm actually higher at the moment than the land in those fields. I just lift the camera up and you can see, and it's just all lakes. I know I keep banging on about that, but it's just amazing. Plane overhead somewhere. Alright, so I've done a mile and I do want to go a bit further, but the sun is getting an awful lot lower, and let me just have a look at the time. Yeah, 3 o'clock, sunsets in half an hour. I don't have any lighting. Sensible thing for me to do is to head back. What I have found out today, which I wanted to experiment with, is this boat's still alright with a bit of weight in it. I'm quite happy with that. And I'm quite happy. I haven't lashed anything in today, but I'm quite confident that I could lash a load of camping gear into this boat and it can keep the centre of gravity within the boat rather than above it, which is what I wanted. That's what I actually bought this for, because all the other boats that I've got are great for overnighters, but they're no good for multi-day trips really, because they're all solo crafts. I got rid of all my twin crafts this year, sold them all. So we'll head back and get sorted out. If you've seen the recent video I did showing about my emergency inflatable kayak kit, you'll know that I'd talked about doing a test video, a field test video. I wanted to do that last night and today. Unfortunately, Thursday night when I got in from work, I didn't feel very well. And then in the night, oh God, I barfed. I was sick, let's put it that way, a couple of times. And so yesterday, Friday, Saturday today, I spent all of Friday in bed. I just felt so rough. I don't know what it was. Don't know whether it was something I'd eaten. Everything else was all right. I just felt really rough. So that kind of scuppered my plans for this weekend a little bit. But you've got to get out and take advantage of things while you can, haven't you? So, say, nice day today. I'm still taking it relatively easy today because I'm not feeling great, but I feel so much better than I did yesterday. It's around the 20-something of November as I record this, about the 24th I think, 25th. I've lost track now. It was the 23rd on Thursday, 24th, 25th today. Why does any of that matter? Why do you care? Have a look at this nice little bridge. Bridge number 5 it's called. I think we'll call it Mambo. Yeah, I know. At least I don't have to duck to get under this one. Gotta say, I'm liking the Chelan. It tracks quite well. Tracks very nicely actually. And I'm also enjoying this Aquabound Stingray paddle. I might do another video where I talk a bit more about this. Let me know in the comments if you want me to. I might do a comparison between this and some of my other paddles. Let me know in the comments if you want me to. Oh God, so much commenting repetition. Calm down, Carl, calm down. You can see all the reeds and rushes have reached the end of their season, and the trees are almost bare. Some lovely reflections going on today on both sides of the boat. Just approaching that low bridge again, or one of them I should say. This is where we turn back into Melbourne Basin. Looks like the fishermen are wrapping up. Probably because the sun's going. Have you had any joy?
Just a couple of little ones.
Have you just got the one line out there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just the one that bit now.
I can see his line this time, so I won't get snagged in it. Well, I can see his float. As long as I stay on the outside of that float, I should be fine. I think he's fishing in the wrong spot, to be fair. Can you see him jumping out the water there? There's loads of fish jumping out. Look at him. That's bizarre. I wonder what's going on. Well, that's it from me, I think. You know what to do if you like what I do on this channel in terms of liking and subscribing. Blah, blah, blah. You take care of yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Cheerio.